My name's Josh. I'm with Tier Remodeling and Design. We're based out of Ogden, Utah, and we specialize in interior residential remodeling, kitchens, bathrooms, whole home remodels. If you've gotten a call from Aspire and they're inviting you to come listen to Fred talk for the day, it's definitely worth it. He knows what he's talking about. It's strictly business, it's numbers, it's data driven, and it's a lot of great information. The most stressful part is money. Do you have enough money? Are you going to make payroll? How much work do you need? What's going on with that? There's a lot of peace of mind because, again, everything is numbers driven. It's not emotion. You don't go to Aspire and get a pat on the back and warm fuzzies. It's facts. It's numbers. It's not always more and more work. That's not the answer. And you can identify that. What's the sweet spot for what you have? We were always chasing is more and more work, and that just led to a ton of overtime and margins that were just down to single digit margins, because we're just trying to cram a bunch of work done, because you really don't know. Without information and tools to say, hey, here's the work we have, here's where it's going to land, here's where we're going to get paid. It's a lot of information, but it is peace of mind. Like I know right now, if I didn't land another job, I know when I'm going to run out of money. There's so many little things that just allow us to keep improving over and over and learning something from every job so that the next one just goes a little bit better.